All right, let's look at some special forms here. So this is going to be a couple examples of multiplication, but we've dealt with these before when we dealt with trinomials and binomials. So here for part A, we have 3 plus 4i squared. Now we could just write it out FOIL method like we did before, or distribution. But notice how we always have the middle term is going to be the product of these two doubled, right? So it's going to be this squared for the first term, this squared for the last term, and then the middle terms are going to be this multiplied together doubled, right? So we know that this is going to end up being what? Because it's a perfect square trinomial is what it's going to end up being. So this is going to be 9 plus 2 times 3 times 4i plus 4i squared. And so this is going to end up being 9 plus 24i plus 16i squared, which the 16i squared will just give me a negative 16. And so negative 16 plus 9 is going to be a negative 7. So this is going to end up being negative 7 plus 24i as the final answer. Now the second one, if you notice, this is the factored form of a difference of two squares, right? So 5 plus 2i and 5 minus 2i, so it has the form of a difference of two squares. So this is your a and b. So we know that this is just going to equal what? It's going to equal 25 squared minus 2i squared. And so what are we going to get? We're going to get 625, 25 squared is 625, minus 4i squared, but the I squared is negative 1, which makes this positive, so it's going to be a plus sign. And I get 4, which is going to give me 629, right? So if you want to see this closer, so this is 25 squared, right? And then this is going to be what? It's going to be 2 squared times I squared, which is going to give me 25 squared minus 4, and I squared is negative 1, and the negative 1 makes this positive. So I get 25 squared plus 4, which gives me the 629. Okay? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry, this is nuts. I already squared it. 5 squared, this should not be squared, it should be just 25. I'm sorry, let me do that again. I went ahead of myself. Okay, so it's a difference of two squares, so this is my A, and this is my B, so it's A squared minus B squared. So I already doubled it when I did that. I was going a little too fast. So this is going to be 5 squared minus 2i squared, because that's my A and B, right? Because this is has the form that will give me a difference of two squares. And so it ends up being 25 minus, and then this is going to be 2 squared times I squared, because you distribute the exponent. And so that's going to give me 25, and then this is -1, which will make this plus 4, which equals 29. Sorry about that. I just made a arithmetic error. Okay, bye.